Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of N8N and Node-RED. In order to do so, here we are at node-red.org, and we're also at N8N.io. What is N8N all about? Flexible AI workflow automation for technical teams. Built with the precision of code or the speed of drag and drop, host with on-prem control or in the cloud convenience. N8N gives you more freedom to implement multi-step AI agents and integrate apps than any other tool, according to their website. Node-RED, on the other hand, low-code programming for event-driven applications, the easiest way to collect, transform, and visualize real-time data. Node-RED's goal is to enable anyone to build applications that collect, transform, and visualize their data, building flows that can automate their world. Its low-code nature makes it accessible to users of any background, whether for home automation, industrial control systems, or anything in between. But to do a comparison, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models available and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, here's a focused comparison of N8N and Node-RED to help you choose the right tool. We'll cover core differences, strengths, weaknesses, typical use cases, and a short decision guide. N8N is a modern, extensible workflow automation platform with built-in cloud, self-host options, code-friendly nodes, and rich third-party integration. Node-RED, on the other hand, is a mature, lightweight visual programming tool ideal for IoT, edge, and event-driven flows with a large community and many contributed nodes. N8N is workflow-oriented, directed workflows. Nodes run in sequencing or branching. It's built using TypeScript, Node.js, and stores workflows as JSON, built-in credential management, expression language, and integrated OAuth for many services. Focuses on integrations and automation. Node-RED, on the other hand, is a flow-based programming model, originally from IBM for IoT. It's built with Node.js using an event stream mindset. Runtime is very lightweight. Flows are JSON, editor served via a web UI. It's designed to run on low resource devices, strong for hardware, MQTT serial, local device control, real-time streams. N8N has a modern UI with a drag and drop interface, handy built-in nodes. It uses expressions like JS syntax. Expressions use JS-like syntax. Function nodes allow inline JS for custom logic. It's easier to build SaaS, HTTP, API-driven automations out of the box. Has good documentation examples for common SaaS integrations. Node-RED, on the other hand, is a very flexible editor with many contributed nodes. Function nodes use JS, a massive node library. The editor is simpler but extremely fast for prototyping IoT event flows and can be extended with custom nodes and subflows. N8N has dozens of official integrations. Coming from scratch approach, each node often designed for an API's common actions. Marketplace community nodes exist, but smaller than Node-RED's ecosystem. Has a huge ecosystem of community contributed nodes, excellent for edge industrial scenarios, and many third-party flows and nodes ready to reuse. N8N offers the N8N Cloud and easy self-host via Docker, Kubernetes, built-in user management and workflow versioning in cloud offering. Requires more resources compared to minimal Node-RED install for the same scale. Node-RED, on the other hand, is extremely easy to use on tiny devices. It's often used as an embedded runtime, lightweight memory CPU footprint. Deployments are simple, but production-grade setups may need external auth backup measures. N8N has enterprise features on paid tiers. Credentials management and encryption are built in. It's better suited for team control, SaaS automation with centralized management. Node-RED, basic admin auth available. There are community plugins for auth and HTTPS. It's for multi-user team setups. Additional config and proxying is often required. N8N is suitable for many automation workflows such as job scaling, typically via multiple worker instances in K8s or Docker Swarm. It's good for moderate throughput tasks, API heavy automations. Node-RED is lightweight and fast for event streaming and device I/O. It can scale horizontally, but often use a single process on edge devices for heavy enterprise throughout your architecture, clustering, or multiple instances manually. When to choose N8N? You need many SaaS API integrations quickly. You want a modern low-code platform with built-in credentials, OAuth handling. You prefer a hosted option with enterprise features and team collaboration, and you want workflows modeled as automation jobs with retry, CRON scheduling built in. You will choose Node-RED, on the other hand, if you're working with IoT, sensors, hardware, MQTT, or serial or edge devices. You need an extremely lightweight runtime for constrained devices. You value a huge library of community nodes for specialized protocols and rapid prototyping. You want maximum flexibility for event-driven flows and stream processing. For use cases, N8N is a sync CRM. It leads to Airtable, trigger Slack notifications, create support tickets in Zendesk, ETL workflows, fetch data from APIs, transform, store in DB, business automation with user team access and scheduling, Node-RED, home automation, read sensors, control lights via MQTT, integrate with Zigbee serial devices, industrial gateways, translate Modbus BAQnet to MQTT and forward to cloud, rapid prototyping of local event flows and device orchestration. Pros and cons: N8N has modern SaaS integrations, good UX, hosted options, secure credential handling, fewer community nodes, larger footprint for edge, some features behind paid tiers. Node-RED, on the other hand, huge community nodes, lightweight, excellent for IoT, edge, less polished for SaaS integrations, multi-user enterprise features not native, and the UI is more utilitarian. Device checklist. Primary target for SaaS API automations, pick N8N. For IoT edge device controls, pick Node-RED. Need hosted managed solution and team features, N8N Cloud or self-hosted N8N with Enterprise. Need tiny footprint offline edge runtime. You want to go with Node-RED. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you will get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I can vouch for it personally. Simply Financial comes highly recommended.